mama kwaba eba the anger clinic show eyi adwumadi foforo kra ya hyehyɛ a ye pese ye kasafa asetena mu nsɛm bi a enta masomdwe ema yentem ni titiru ene abufuo woni ba ya adwen sɛ abufuo sɛe niema wo man mu abufuo nti ebi mu akɔde da baabi a ensese wonka okɔ enu nti na ahye adwumadi ye pese ye nyina ye kasafa abufuo mu ene ye pese ye hwɛ abufuo ni ye be kasafa woni titiru ni sɛ abufuo den kra ne abufuo na enya me nko na me di dwumadi yi nyame aye adom ne enya mpanifo atitiriw bi a wobɛboa yɛn ne aye asɛm yi ho empensempensemu na ansa na meyi wɔn akyerɛ no ma me nkɔgye maboafo nkrato na mɛsan abasisi a.
Welcome to GTP Health and Safety Corner. If you feel like stepping out, remember social distancing. You might just save a life. Rock at home, stay at home, stay safe. Wash your hands with soap and running water. Spaced out but still in touch. Check in on your loved ones and stay safe. GTP, timeless.
Sana midi ka kan no enenya me nko na dwumadi emedi ho chia me meye ho adwuma yensa kan yankasa ye mpanifo bi obeboa yen yedi kan ye yankasa yen doctor akosua ejepon owa ha ena afi yen papa Mr. Edumata oni ba ya adwen se saa mpanifo edi wonya hoho kra wo TV so na nyame na mo so ye adwumadi bebre eti obeboa yen dwumadi mu so waje pene so obeboa yen dwumadi mu so mama akosua akwaba
That's
aba
Mama.
akwaba
Just mama.
That's
So we check come on.
Oh, that's it.
Oh, him and wo mu no epie.
the
Pese ye hwe asem bi a Aristotle kan. Na me kan e bofu. But see, anybody has the right to be angry. But to be angry for the right purpose at the right time. At the right degree, it is very difficult, and not everybody can do that. Nititi emu ani say, obi a ho kwan say,
Bufu, yeah.
na say onipa bubefu a entra enko hani nua no de. E ya de ye den papa.
Okay.
Enye nipa nyina na tumi ye. Na wadwene mo de nti na o kan sa asem.
Yo we de betia ahwefo nyina. Won say empempi no yenhwe bufuo ansa na mahwe wo answer no o question na bisai no mamu se wo hwe bufuo a chese empempi no ebufuo ye ase obeye obibi na chese adina hyew na wodi eno no obi kwa no bi afa bibi no atu abombakọ na fi se wo hu se na ebufuo na etu man se also pram bakro no na wo hwe de papa yi kan a opeso kire se empempi no ebufuo de obi awo wona so ye father wona so ye hwan ba wo mso be sure bufu na emom no ubufu ye no ehifa na bufu wo ebia me na agodumata ti he amanfogua agodumata e bibi mampe me hye me ho so no ebe no me yia bona na so ma bona sum nipa ni mu wo ena otum se wan react enti that particular moment me ni be go asefi se what's papa yi na oye mami ya but e because no can be masma yawo but obi ehun de okan ye obi ehun de oye and a memory action no and that particular moment no I shouldn't have done anything but me de bufo no ebe me de bo na sum the papa no ye den obi ehun de oye in that particular moment it was the wrong timing. Yes, you are right to get angry, but where you got angry no didn't help. Because no se ka otun kra bufu tempe no hwa aware for young girls your baby boys no come baby bufu na pi say omo predict no aya emwa ese ne ma bebre.
Yes mama. One who say me dey make no say you be che obi a wo hwe bia me make no say ebufu e ho it's part of you. Woni padua no so utumi sre utumi muna ebufu so ka. So you are supposed to be the one in control.
Exactly.
It's Aristotle kind, in terms of the time, where, what, or whatever you must control it. Me buafu, and today, me nyamo bia who say me. Me nyamo bia who say me na me din kunim to me yama sabi oba nipa ba kono wa mem. Should I do it? You should be in control. Na nipa bia obetama bufu edi wo so no. sabi that meka wo yet to say aboa bi afa ba ye wie no na woni me guase ya for example na nche ko so mai so wo yi bomb me man free no at the end of the day no sabi why then him sabi o ataba one more tension nyina because mama say na me bu no mama say no tie oni okuru kura ni sa ani ebodi enti that chipi say wo twam ho ba bia we ndi yenim no e dey nedim no oni e bi na wo ye no ebufo bi na wantumi control no ade bi na bae na wo do fu say wo do ho enti wo ka ni panase no say no na obenya ni monyam that's it enti the papa na no it's all about you being able to control say ade ne ba dwene ho ma wadwemu mie e ma de ni didi wadwe
na ne okan ya eye o si obia wo ho kwan
yes
ni pe nyina
sure
eye hu kakra
sure obo hu say obia wo ho kwan de a ene ye me de ne ba me nsu me nwe me se me nka me nsa me nsi me trase me walk away you are getting control over it now wo de ba na say ene me se be kebia kire no hey then we have a problem until obia wo ho kwan de a but then you obia no that is the point probably he's saying it
me pachon almost say empempi no o de ade efe ne say obi a show before bedwam na wanante akpotwe wogya wako na wankasa ma obi a ye de ma no esnoko omutum say we bakasa kamianka ebi ono adafo bi na mu ne be bibia si se wankasa 2% na mfo ne moaye ngamu moaye say bia bibia si na nka ma se make us bakono no etu ma ne de o manako do ye wi ye mianka ade ka me no se so chine ko yin bi anako boni bi so bia beji se wajimi that aspect alone but ma ebia that moment no onya badwene ba obeti wadafo no obeti unua onya badwene ba obeti unua no na wakokoye action akoya na enema mienu ita to bakon be proud anaso de nkwase be free ana be prend bakon kra na edebe na ba entin ebufo no de e wo hosan ko obi a wo bi but how to control de no se no tumi so akoma mu no ena ma wudi nkoni
na asamba akon so wo mo say the right degree
sure
also degrees so
oh yes
say 50 asia na build so ubu befu a na wo hu so ubu befu no na watumi control free ho and man get it to the next level. That is where you start talking.
Yeah.
You start exhibiting that animalistic act, you know. Oh, that makes us so bufua. Unkwa na ufu said ya oyani. Obibia the bubu bia no ufu said ya waka, the war ye, the all titin on ye, ni pen on no penalty. One more to one of say, that papa dear, that two boy, the wenty, said yeti, yeah, it's why I shall know. But you feel so you are on top of everything. That is the degree aspect. It will went through honor who was all doing. Just will be a PhD. Or KG crown or that is the kind of degree we're talking about. It may go for this water. As I'm not better. First, when Jasabi oh Quasia Semina, you see the way they talk. When Jaw won't boa Semina, you could see.
What
authority because what we do so what kind of no attempt even no when you went so dumb or butu onyem as you bow him the degree is too high I said
mama almost said baby me call baby I listen to what there's a title like be being yakopon da baby apart from the meaning each letter has its meaning.
That's right.
Ukraine and America. No, you become abusive. Because a buffon more be abusive. They say don't be general. And you become very nasty. You can be beautiful, you can be talented, you can be everything, but that anger be more nasty. Now, Gino, greed be babamu. Be to be a debe. There's a full at next town, no, and a year. Na uje ina na what be evil. Be evil because that ma wa kon so be bofu na uje ne nimu no any the won see ye na se ka so be fu kwa be jera se ka so be bu se kwa be jedi because to be ka bia wontie when pray ba kwa na onti e bikra wa kwa koso mu kwa betu pra and I become very rough become very rough.
Yeah, about terms now. I like it.
Oh, and mommy and baby, no, I am Mr. You know, in there before him. It's a good matter to me, but Abia, I could say, I'm not good matter. We are there. Because sometimes, you know, was a whole to poo or born before. No, pussy, not like a son. Now, I'm whatever, but what you say. If they be a show, and that also is very bad. This one show you, baby, be a udofu be what the peppy. Not sure.
Terms now, many people buy a best now, per se, again, your Bible kind. Ephesians 4.
That's right.
26 to 27. Or see, Maugunfu.
That's right.
Emma didn't just.
Now, many bonnet.
I mean, your bonnet.
Now, Emma, we are Koto.
That's right.
Yeah.
Bible, yeah. Guide the beer, when he passes it, ya kind, now so you find yourself. Or so, which means that I am so beyond.
Sure.
Yeah.
There's more. I didn't
yeah.
And Tiasiane, Nyansa woman and say, the rising of the sun, and the setting of the sun. It's a period.
Yeah.
It's a period. You come, and only a brabono. And she said, the rising of the sun now go for, and twice and cotono. Fantastic. Adentina was had be show me. Na adia cheso. Obi kura tumi ma obi and the buofu obi amode kwasam dem. Esie no. Otumi kwa kone na so was wo. Na me betia. Nipa na wu. Aso ko jana na so ka say na me betia. Say ji. Ati o ka say the sun rising and then falling no. Obufu be wom no. Yifri ho no. O de won tey. Wo wu mpo no. O sa ko jana na so.
Mammy, never just I'm never big as Sandra. And I'll say on the bufua or no piaka so feel. If you cry on the boot with 1 week, not a journey cry on no few can only. But not that temple. Just say, oh, on Cassan so in the part. So I come at 20. And no be so what? It's so sad not here, or sad not here, and on the sabby, a genie. If you say, so per se, your tag goes there. When the new first sign or tear,
You've lost it.
well, on the buffalo no Bianca, it's not come at Tony and ma. One day, before come back and so come back to him, the lady per corner. Now, take up, there's never move. Even no back on the 2 coin. Now, Opeso can be 10 now back on the whole. It's Ubufua, many Ubufua, say, and my ditch so. Sure, before we send you my baby. Sure, say what Juma. But the mammy banana Juma mono. They be not some waiters because we hear of customers in the mobile poisson. On back one abotano dinner to money penny, but go in the mass. What fun the back no. Obomasum, it's no go in the mass. Oh, call for him. Ebia them tea them in him. The commobile do force the kind, but the book when the mass on the penny. I'm an opportunity, no. I'm my respect and 1 man apart from. Table for senior.
I have for someone who come to train baby airport. A before any other papa. You better was. Nansan, my main cordia from Cato, never see.
Welcome to GTP Health and Safety Corner. Charging up goes a long way. Strengthen your immune system. Your immune system needs all the help it can get. Eat well, stay hydrated. Hands pick up a lot. Avoid touching your face. Your well-being is in your hands. Sanitize regularly. Stay safe. GTP, timeless.
Yes, I'm on Babio about the Anger Clinic Show. Safe na odi wa fidi ya to ha. Make sure say share the Anger Clinic Show. Aha ye kasafa eniema emma sumdwe enta ma ya setenemu. Ni titiru ene ebufuo. Ya kasa bebre na yeguso ara. Ansa na ye beto anko motwetwe ne so no. Mbese mi bisa mo. Antiako, so obufuo ade na ya we.
Ebufuo first move for Mekasa ko bi na me hu say te say makasa ama wati masem na say. But a true baby, me realize say it doesn't help. Because sometimes so kasa ebe no ko kan bibi. No say baba ka apologize. Sorry dem nkapa. No say baba ka sorry. Na say asem na o kan no, wa kan wi. Ebi a shi ni pakro no. I decided to say me before I'll just walk off. But most school they me before na we madam fam no be yaka me ne won kasa enti no me wo primary school no me mama e be mama problem because me ne won kasa me birthday come me invite you because why ada man am here but empepe no me mama de akosua sade dem wa wo emwa the two or the and make eye contact my mom 5 girls she was very very particular about that thing no about me and to me you know what them say Debbie who never saw because into ama they say no baby bia say be me taxi na mani na me jai me taxi because if I got taxi me can be because that time they be me bofu to me akasa me unse me relax na me pa down me be friend back no hi it is saying A B C D E. Oh, sister, never the batch na echo. It is the best way not to react there and then. We react here and say before no ban bomb grandfather. They better say to me na say before. I just keep quiet. Me free, me text so. But about 30 minutes time, then I start texting. That time no, academic canon ever phone.
And the answer na papa do matter so. Na say what shia. What's not say shia.
Me mama there no. I just from school no. And me mama because a few to me was it. But school ko sua no maybe. School is sua no ma. E fie be patete. Ba ko kunya sua de bi wo. Baby. Won say akole bi before oye action bi. Eh. This I've never seen before. Na miss me bi. Na miss me sua. Won enti bi a me nyine no. Akofa adafo bi. Ni before body kwasun. Me kona ankashi I'm saying because small cash what I say enti usunya de pa me usunya de boni enti school no adafo ne be nante na usunya ne nyoma bi enti so wonni mother be strong na wan tia wa we decide no so be ni na pie ne sa na detective
yes mama oh mama akwachiri no masarasa ba me no dey me realizing say me before Mr. Ma
the same here
and me shouting. All right, I vent. We can come
because kasanema.
Eti emankofu mu say we tietim do. But that is what I want to react to. Your way and many. But I've come to realize I've come to realize
the realization is
yes
important.
Because yenyi nti me man talk. Bono no do right. Then I'm fine. But I've come to realize me before me busam hunse. Why are you doing this? Is it necessary? What is the aftermath? Me to me bossy busam. It me kaka no be twemu pe. We hwe nem say wanti de oye you obey dem kwaku. Jahana manenko. That is controlling me. So I'm doing that self introspection. Say I need to be asking myself questions. And one of Maria ya be say do ya me show din hwe adabi na me trotro driver bi o twa me in fact almost more kan me say papa pa ho de obeye wo me do am me be say mo wi me do am hwe ndin na me twam say na obi wo mo a woni me wo frem anka gumata and then me boo papa. Did you see that?
And you reacted
me they were all watching. Do you know the who say ya me o say ya be hwe de papa be me do am twam na what fairy say. And the man called me and said, "You have surprised me and you've taught me something today." But essence my yamana come won't you know. Me suba, me busa more questions. E sipa me busa. And you see, Matthew is it 7:7. Or say, let's ask, seek, knock. But what I realized is that the resultants of all these were given to us. But how to do was not given, and that is what makes you a human being.
Ma, I met two ashefo efo. So only obi ohro so enya mem pushino no cre mem pushino
my fancy I have for some of whom baby uncle motwetwe no eko uncle rebu matter or see obisa ne ho questions enti wo bufu a eya obisa ho questions ana wo sorry ya na wato nsa wan hwe yi a wani onyamo anyame de ama on unam saa ye ne soro na wahwere no kora ye be koso ye kwakohwe oye kire eye sketch a efa ebufu ho ye be samba sisi a maybe madam where 5 city
Na say na why atare na obedi 5.
Mama cho. Now see me Sunday say.
Hey, o say ya o. Mu de say ya, mu pomade ni. Na de no kwa wacha dodo. Ntuma na opam kan ka wie.
Mama so. Now see me Sunday say. We dey me ya.
Nya ma be fama ta me news ka be abetia mo. Den kwa ansem no. Wo pomade ma tena de ma dwon sa na de basa we opam. We say ma 5. Sister, for machine for me.
Oh, madam. Madam. Madam, me so me nye.
Na me ya. Masa ye na obi ti resident ye say o ya correct. Me wa yi kura na me na. Wo pe o machine ko for machine never free kwa asem.
Madam,
follow me.
Yakoshe. Obi kopam na ade. Hwe ba bia kwakọ wie.
Ai. Sale beba no. So wonni abotra. Obetumi anka de opam made no obetumi prasista. Because odi abotre. Oba no apam wade no. Wo se wache. Udi ka di tetem na tetem ku ne so. Still odi abotre. Won odi abotre na no dey show. Afede ompese obetua na. Ni na no odi abotre osoro ye. Yes. Na wo se ka de opam made no. Akodi o man na sem ko. Efise hwe oto ne nsa no ni fie na wo. Ni fie na wo ye ba kope. Obeto ko friend member of you, it will be proud because of 5 cities.
Na 5 cities so no eno na one ne makodi o.
Meba. Let's proud hospital be bro 5 cities. Let's look at something. Ni fie enim na opa made no wo. No kwa no tifie wo. Na somebody the crown na on ba be supporting. Enti no ebi an we dressing no. Se na so no tu ni duku ni wig no. Tu no so no. O pra no na se ni nkofo di pie ba. O me 10 na we pra. On be bu pra. In the 5 cities no. O mo ba se hospital. O ka so hospital you are going to pay more, buy more drugs. Uba spending more than 100 Ghana because of 5 cities in Tino. The drug offer. And na area of one. Omuni musa. Omunim de see. Girl na parent no. Omuna be fuso ni papone. Uba go be assisted me pamade on wo. Area hon we lose market. Entino to bia wo bufu. Hwe de ulusi. Hwe de obe lusi me hwe that particular moment. Hwe de nkofo be dua fa wo. Hwe de ebesi in the near future. Na ekati say let's go.
Mama, dia me so me hu ye ne say ebufuo ubetumi ahia no. Ebufuo betumi abeto. Hwani o. Ma me na wode ade ne ma no say wo mpam no. Ko hia ebufuo. Ane de wo pam ade no so no ebufuo no beto no. Hwani na one thing me hu ye ne say ebuo ma me na wo ba bagina tade wambu there be de wo pam ade. Exactly. There's no honor, there is no respect, there's no value. Or ya depam, a dear nene dima, that you could see said there is that dichotomy. And you know what the crown. The mindset is that oh yeah, winning your even if it's correct. Sematadi. It is Kodibomana Kakasa the best.
Yeah.
One for Buaman, but already I don't know, Mamma, so upon the other. A boy, or would my mamma, my come, Auntie Pacho says a boy. But then it got to a point, that's a degree.
Yeah.
It got to a point, I can't say, wait, me, me must I have worked. My year, Juma, me. A service is done. Pay. What they call Ube Bume. On the main Tiasi. So you see how it goes. I finna build it. Hey! Oh, you're not 2 weeks. Because we're going to say 3. And 2 years, no 2 years anymore. When you young in our phone, so we're going to share Nanka Warfeno or 2 years no, actually. And our tenants, boom. Yeah, me and said, Mamma, no pomadiano. So we're born not taking no ya, Quebec, and an auntie, because you can for 5 seconds. And now, dear, one also so went to your kind of uncle where young one church the man to be and to dear would. Yeah. At that moment, no, me need no pomadiana, come back and say. So, Mammy, what better me? Ade no yes sir. On fanko. Nyame. If you can ask yourself questions. Answer betutu anamo ba miensa enum no. Na fa ade pam. Na because you saved yourself by asking yourself questions.
I didn't know say. Say mama no pam ade no kwa. When you see abai wa no.
Sai ena omanu no. Od me pacho. Oh, mama ka me dey ba. Oh, me pacho still no. Just why na tune say do be na be ye. Nipa say no oni titi. Nipa say no o sa suban no. Let's obey check. Oye check for bebre. Oye okrom. And I dare when a keto be man. And I went so no. What ordinary de pam no. I know the deal. And in oye ni ya mam. Na next time about to know your business. And in wo try my no. Or we are go from come bia. And to also wa ban. Abuti me bi kraba oh ye we dey wan ni you. When oh sign mama ni ye ma. Na saka de pam ni ka say me na my ye na fa fancy mama e na ka ba bi sa anka wo. But we do buy do we ah this what yan wan kra on the word e be ma. What dan mu say she do aye no. Oh enti no on no pam de no we nya abotre wo ho no. Because of a buffon na ankomatica e be hia no. A buffon ko e be hia wa. Na wo ye nyansani a. Na wo pe honam a. Cause bebre pra ye ku bebre. Hwe nanse actor ye wuye. Okopata ntokwa. Ena de sika wo. Ena no mu ko tia ne wu. Ena e buffon no koto ye no. Anko bra so no ko no ko kun bi o. But e buffon no wo a wo on sika no. So when so dem exactly. But that particular moment, no, say anger, but no, so it's uncle ni bia. They're very careful.
Mama, she way. So they will drive on here. She no will be a no cross you on our bar bells. So, may yeah, bonnet. What right have you got to insult?
Yeah,
but when you list mistake, will be speedy up. So at that moment, you know, it's a practice every human being should do. Be asking yourself questions.
Mommy, wait a quick and any obedience na huna. Obey if you said that particular moment, no, on bakoni fifi, unim before the exactly. Unim the atuno. If you can be 10 and after that moment, or no, I feel no free before be mobile, but one reacting. Not a piano, no be counter cry, no piano. Why should you do obey you? In the sometimes no, they see any pen na, any pen na mo. But since na go make a say, won't be the same money to no business do before college. And that's what it was a college so. If say I can be very decent, I can be very nice, but who trespass dear. It be at that particular moment in the mayor. It be an enquiry.
Ahwefo, wo hu sketch e ko hwe yi. Eye nsem wo esisi wo ye fiefie mu. Na imi so masua de na me gidi se wo so wasua de. O se bisa wo ho questions. Bisa ho nsem. Ade a me ko yi, ehe na de me ko. Me ya edin ba ko wie he. Na ugidi me ye hwe se ugidi pa se nipa bebregu prisons a enye se wo pen senka woko. Na mo abufu okohia ye anas ebeto won a want to me anto won boas emmisa won ho question antwen so na ntamwa opa se obebua enuti na aba ne saa migidi se ogusu sua de enkomotwehwe na ye de nanso aheya na mmere ebema ye ho kwan me fa saa kwan so me da ye mame akosua mama me da ase mame mfa doctor ne ma na obu amfu doctor
Oh my God.
Doctor mpacho nyame hira bebre papa enyame hira na fe wa utifia wo hwe ye nso me da wase bebre ene aboafo aso ya se nyina nso ye da mo ase sanwumo etwegu ye esi na mo anti enka de ene na dasene